Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to open 3D maps in Google Maps. So first let's open up the Google Maps app. Then with the Google Maps open, you want to press this little triangle icon here, which is underlined in the top right hand corner in this circle here. So we can press that. And here in the map details, the last one is 3D. So we can press that. Then we can X that away, and as you can see, not much has changed. However, when you zoom in, and you keep zooming in, everything is in 3D. And if you use two fingers to swipe upwards, you can come on the street level. So that's two fingers on the screen, and then swipe down, and it goes to the top of the buildings, swipe to the top of your phone, and it comes and brings yourself to the side of the buildings. So that's how to open 3D maps in Google Maps. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.